In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer USDC to USDT on Kucoin, quickly and efficiently. If you're interested in transitioning your USDC to USDT, Kucoin is a favorable platform to execute your trades. So, let's dive into the step-by-step process. First off, you're going to want to head over to the Kucoin website. You can do this by navigating to your preferred web browser and typing in www.kucoin.com. Once you're on the homepage, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. It can make the rest of the process much smoother. The next step is to log in to your account. You'll find the login button prominently displayed on the upper right corner of the screen. Click on Login and enter your credentials. Make sure your account security is up to date. Two-factor authentication is a great way to ensure your account stays protected. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself back on the Kucoin homepage. From here, you'll need to navigate to the Trade section. This is the heart of where all your trading activities will happen. On the top menu bar, you'll see a Trade button. Click on it. After that, you'll want to select Spot Trading. This is crucial because spot trading allows you to buy and sell cryptocurrencies for immediate delivery. In the trading section, you'll notice a search bar, which is where you can find various trading pairs. The next step is to search for the USDC/USDT trading pair. In the search bar, located at the top of the trading interface, type in USDC/USDT. Once you've found the trading pair, click on it to open the trading module for this specific pair. This will allow you to execute the trade between USDC and USDT. Now, you'll need to decide how much USDC you want to sell. Enter the amount in the designated field. It's important to check if the amount you wish to convert aligns with your financial strategy and the current market conditions. It's always a good practice to review the current exchange rate and ensure it's favorable. After you've entered the amount, review your transaction details thoroughly. Once you've cross-verified everything, you can proceed with the order execution. Typically, transactions on exchanges like Kucoin are executed promptly, but the speed can vary depending on the market conditions. And that's it. You've now successfully traded your USDC for USDT on Kucoin. Remember, practicing due diligence and staying informed about market trends are key components of successful trading. If you're new to trading pairs or the platform, spending a little time familiarizing yourself with the interface can be greatly beneficial. Thank you for watching, and happy trading!